I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making a white chocolate cranberry fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Cranberries seem to be a very popular element of the holiday season, so I've succumbed to peer pressure and included it in this week's treat. I've paired it with a super simple white chocolate fudge, and I think you're going to be happy with the way it turns out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own white chocolate cranberry fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 3 3/4 cups of white chocolate, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of dried cranberries, a pinch of salt, and some red and green colored sugar. I'm also using an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a microwave-safe bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the pan and set it aside. Place the white chocolate and sweetened condensed milk in the bowl and microwave for 1 minute. Let it set for a couple of minutes, then give it a good stir. If the white chocolate isn't fully melted, continue microwaving in 30-second intervals until it is. Add the vanilla extract, cranberries, and salt, then stir until it's fully combined. Add the fudge to the lined pan, then sprinkle on the colored sugar. Put the fudge in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or until it's set. Remove it from the fridge and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. First off, it's a lovely white chocolate fudge, sweet, smooth, creamy, and the dried cranberries add a nice chew, as well as that flavor that goes so well with the season. If you're looking for a treat to grace a holiday table, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'm Randy and I make cranberries seem to be a very popular element of holiday.